Prime Minister Narendra Modi handed over the Arjun main battle tank Mark 1A to the Indian Army during his visit to Chennai on Sunday. The Arjun main battle tank MK-1A is an armored fighting vehicle developed indigenously by the Defence Research and Development Organization for the Indian Army. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Sunday will kickstart the party's campaign for the upcoming assembly elections in Assam. He will address a rally in Sivasagar. This will be the maiden visit of Rahul Gandhi to the poll-bound Assam this year. Congress had announced last month that it will form an alliance with 5 political parties. Delhi Police Cyber Cell arrested 21-year-old climate activist Disha Ravi from Bengaluru on 13th February for her alleged role in spreading toolkit related to the farmers' protest. 5 more bodies have been recovered from the slush of the Tapovan tunnel, where rescue operations have been underway since February 7th. The toll has now reached 43, whereas over 30 people are feared trapped in the tunnel. Around 160 people are still missing after Sunday's disaster. At least 14 people were killed and 4 others injured after bus and truck collided in Andhra Pradesh, Kurnool district on Sunday morning. The accident took place near Madarpur village in Kurnool district at 4 a.m. when a group of people hailing from Chittoor district of the state were travelling in a minibus towards Hyderabad. They were all on their way to Ajmer in Rajasthan. Sunday marks 2 years of the Pulwama terror attack, when 40 personnel of the Central Reserve Police Force were killed after a suicide bomber rammed an IED-laden vehicle into the security convoy carrying them. The convoy of 78 buses carrying 2,500 CRPF personnel was moving from Jammu towards Srinagar. Several leaders paid their respect to the martyrs. Former US President Donald Trump was acquitted Sunday on charges of inciting an insurrection at the US Capitol after a majority of Senate Republicans closed ranks and refused to punish the former president in his historic second impeachment trial. Radhe Shyam teaser finally arrived on Sunday morning, coinciding with the Valentine's Day celebrations. Starring Prabhas and Pooja Hegde in the lead roles, the romantic film is written and directed by Radha Krishna Kumar. The teaser has been cut with the sole intention of giving a glimpse into a dreamy world that Radha Krishna Kumar has created. India was all out for 329 runs in their first innings in the opening session on day 2 at the Chepauk against England in the second test match.